Google just launched Nano Banana Pro. It can manipulate your photos, visualize your ideas, and even analyze your data to create images based on it. We couldn't wait any longer, so we decided to teach our audience how to use this amazing tool for free. But before we start the video, there's a small request to make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. So let's begin. So right now we are going to use the Nano Banana Pro model, and to start using it, you simply come to the official Gemini website, open the Tools section, and click on Create Images. As soon as you do that, the Nano Banana Pro model gets selected automatically, and you can even check it by clicking on Thinking, where you will see Thinking with 3 Pro selected. This model analyzes your prompt deeply. Now we are going to push it with an extreme prompt and see how powerful it really is. I am going to type a close-up 8K cinematic shot of an old man's face with deep wrinkles, micro skin texture, light reflecting in his wet eyes, soft shadows, razor-sharp details, natural pores, zero smoothing, realistic aging, without exaggeration. Now we run the prompt, and look at this. Nano Banana Pro has already started working. It is currently the best image model available right now, and it analyzes before generating, which makes a huge difference. And now look at the result. It is super sharp and incredibly accurate. You can see every tiny wrinkle and every detail. Tell me honestly, does any other image model give this level of depth and realism? Definitely not. If I show you the thinking process, you can see how it first deeply analyzed the prompt, created a full roadmap, and only then generated the final image. That is why the result looks so next level. Now let's test it again with something different. This time I am giving a slow motion shot of a glass of water falling off a table, water splashing in mid-air, droplets frozen with extreme clarity, realistic physics, reflections, and natural lighting. Then we click Next, and again, Nano Banana Pro loads automatically and starts working. It takes a little time, but the results are absolutely worth it. The image is ready, and look at the result. It looks damn real, accurate, and unbelievably detailed. I do not even need to explain anything because you can see everything for yourself. Look at the water droplets. Look at the tiny amount of water left on the table. Everything is realistic and nothing looks artificial. Now we push it one more time to show you the true value of this model. I am giving a honeybee sitting on a sunflower petal, extreme macro shot, visible wing veins, pollen grains, tiny hair on legs, hyper-realistic depth of field. We run it, and again, it analyzes the prompt first, collects the examples, and then generates the final output so that nothing looks unrealistic or fake. The image is ready, and just look at this result. Look at the reflections, look at the micro details, the tiny hairs, the softness, the shadows, and the lighting. Everything is next level and completely value for money. Now we give it a final test, and this time, I want to create a chart that shows the best 5 vacuum cleaners under $1,500 with their pros and cons, and then we click Next. The limit reaches, and now it automatically switches to the Nano Banana model instead of Nano Banana Pro, and instead of generating an image, now we tell it again to create an image. This is one of the biggest advantages of the thinking model in Nano Banana Pro. It does not randomly produce something, and this time it starts generating visuals. The result is here and now. You can clearly see the difference between Nano Banana and Nano Banana Pro just by comparing the details and realism. The model gives a time limit, and once that limit resets, only then I can use Nano Banana Pro again. This is important because it shows that the Pro model is not just powerful, but also controlled and optimized, which is why it gives such accurate outputs instead of rushing through prompts. When you look at both results side by side, you can instantly understand how advanced the Pro version really is, and the thinking ability makes it stand out from everything else available right now. If you also liked it, then make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and if you want unlimited free access to the Nano Banana tool, just drop a comment below. I will see you in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.